This year we're gonna make for Lana birthday vegan peanut butter and banana cake. Ta-da! Here is Lana cake. You're gonna get the leftovers. Rising guys, so today we celebrate one of my favorite day of the year. Today we celebrate my little husky birthday, and like each year she celebrates on official Woman Day. So for the occasion I decided to redo one of our favorite video of mine where we actually see the day from Lana point of view. So I'm gonna attach her the GoPro, and from now we're gonna see how she see the day. So Lana, you ready? So first stop, you're gonna go to the pet store and you're gonna choose yourself some treats. You ready? תפוח גם בסדר? מנטה לרחב? למה? איזה מהם את רוצה? התפוז. Look who we brought here! We brought Lazy! You wanna join the girls? You're gonna be a girl for today. Lana, you wanna join the party? Whoa, whoa! It's become a dog car! Like a clown car, just with dogs. Hop, hop, hop! Okay, that's it. Wild dog. We're holding Lazy because Lazy is crazy, and if we're gonna release her, we might not see her again. So she's gonna be the ace car to bring them back. So beautiful when everything is green and blooming. Gorgeous. Ooh, and the snack. The only way to bring them back. Lazy is spoiled, she doesn't want the snack. You like nature? Yes, naked boy. Hector look naked without his fur. Killing me on my knees. I wanna see you believe.
for once you leave.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Jesus! What do you see?
If for once you leave.
Oh, there's still some kalaniot left. Even purple ones. We did a switcheroo and now Hector is with the GoPro and he's gonna record everything. Wow, he's ready for action. Oh my god, I don't believe it. I forgot there is a big lake here. You stinker! Well, she got the best birthday gift, that's what she like. Being stinky in a lake, acting like a crocodile. Gosh, I'm not even sure what this water is from. Look at her, she looks like a deer. You stinky dinky. You stinky Lana. I wasn't preparing to shower you today. Well, it's not Lana's birthday if she doesn't sink in some water. Oh my gosh.
Tongue out, snow in your fur. You zigzag through the pines like the world belongs to you. Little cloud with silver eyes. You chase every fallen leaf like it's some secret prize. Run, little husky, run. Sky on your back. Wild sun, all that stories in the dirt. Joy so big it almost hurts. Run, little husky, run. You were born to love the wind. Nature's laughing in your grin. Run, run, little husky, run. Whoa, run. Cold creek, splash on your nose. You bark at your reflection like a stranger in your clothes. Fresh trail, you stop, then fly. Sharp air in every breath, soft howl against the sky. Run, little husky, run. Sky on your back, wild sun. All that stories in the dirt. Joy so big it almost hurts. Run, little husky, run. You were born to love the wind. Nature's laughing in your grin.
Maybe Gen can hold it now. We're gonna hold it on Gen.
You circle back to me, snowflakes in your fur. Rolling in the grass like it's all just yours. Run, little husky, run. Sky on your back, wild sun. Paws write stories in the dirt. Joy so big it almost hurts. Run, little husky, run. You were born to love the wind. Nature's laughing in your grin. Run, little husky, run.
איפה לאנה? לאנה! אוי, מתוקה!
Breathe in the frost, you name it in the dark. Footprints fading off the narrow path. I hear you laugh ahead of me, just out of reach between the trees. Or a husky between the trees, gray and wild, calling me. Just a flash of fur and teeth, then you're gone, you're gone. You're a shadow that never stays. You run circles to my days. Every time I think you're near, you're gone, you're gone. You're gone. Pine sap on my hands, cold air in my lungs. Your coat brushed mine once, then you slipped and spun. I chase your tracks through broken leaves. You circle back, still out of reach. Your husky between the trees, gray and wild, calling me. Just a flash of
יאללה, עלו.
2, 3, וקרין מרוצה? תראי לנו כמה את מרוצה.
אמרתי לך, הם ישבו לי על הרכב וקידפו תפוזים. Who is so dirty? Who is so dirty? She got the birthday of her dream. She got to sink into a big lake. That's what you want for each birthday, right? To get dirty in water, yay! So we're gonna stop here for brunch. Let's see if it's open. Okay, so we bought some food and we're gonna sit outside in the picnic table. Picnic time! Dude, we didn't invite you for lunch. What do you think you're doing? Get off my place. That's our food from El Haj restaurant. We have mushroom hummus. I brought some salad, majadara, cabbage, and grape leaves filled with rice. And we have falafel and pitot. He's spoiled. He stole from your piece. Falafel she like. The cabbage is great. Needs some salt, but it's really good. All the doggies like hummus. Lady is so cute. He's so cute. So we're gonna give them some majadara because we have a lot. It's your birthday lunch.
לא?
No? Lana, don't ask twice. I'll take it, thank you. Whoa! Thanks, Mom. And now Hector. Lana, it's Hector time. No! Lana, no! Hector, can I share some? Hector, can I have some with you? Okay, Hector, I'll take it. Let me help you clean the plate. Oh, wow, Hector, it's so good. Let me clean the plate for you. Oh! She likes hummus. She lick it like an ice cream. She she's just thinking how to steal it. Okay, little Weedy. You're eating so slow, girl. So slow. Fine, she's done. You can eat it. And here is my little munchkin after a nice shower. Yeah, she really need it. She stink. Look at you. Now she's so clean. Yeah, Matty, she's so clean. Lana, wow! Ta-da! So this year Lana got a banana cake. We have here 3 bananas, and this one say Lana, and it's from dragon fruit. And she celebrates 11 years young. So Lana, you're gonna blow up the candles now, make a wish, and then we're gonna eat the cake. 1, 2, 3, make a wish. You want the first bite? You can take the first bite. Yum, yum, yum. That's how to bite. Come on, take the first bite. Now we're gonna give some for the
אתה רוצה
guest.
עוגה?
Yes, let's cut piece for the guest. That's too lazy. This is for lazy. It's with peanut butter. You like peanut butter. Take a bite, you weirdo. She's licking it like an ice cream. She smelled the peanut butter, which you like, but I think the banana is like getting her way. She's conflicted because the banana. I'm not sure if I like it or not. Date you like. Good girl. I tell you. Here we go, like a baby. And now it's for Hector. Chef.
כן.
Yep. And now for Lana. Lana, she get from her name. Lana. You're going crazy? Lazy? Don't want to join them? No? Who is the dog whacker? Who let the dog run? Who let the dogs out? Na 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 na. Do your business. The whole party. Anna, Daisy. We see Hector. Here we go. Hector. It's time to bring Lazy back. Want some popcorn? Okay, only because it's your birthday. Here is your birthday popcorn. Go. Hey, this is mine. I like about. Okay, one for you, and that's it. Hector. Good catch. So that was my little munchkin birthday. I hope you enjoyed it. She sure did. And thanks for watching. And I want to say something. I'm gonna sleep now. Bye.